I flipped the small account to over $2,000 using this simple strategy. This strategy works when the market will likely reverse and change direction. For example, if the market was bearish and it starts becoming bullish, or if the market was bullish and starts becoming bearish. We compare the movements of the price to the movements of an indicator known as an awesome oscillator, and we identify if price and the awesome oscillator are moving the same way. When price and the awesome oscillator are not moving the same way, a divergence is said to be forming, which indicates to us the price will likely reverse. An example on this trade can be seen where price was trading lower. You can see price was making lower lows and lower highs, and after price created the last lower low, it could be seen on the awesome oscillator that price had created a higher low. This indicated to me that price was likely going to reverse and trade higher. I could also see that price had created a bullish impulse and a demand zone from which I was expecting price to trade higher. It's important for you to add on other factors of confluence when trading reversals using the awesome oscillator. Do not just take a trade based on the awesome oscillator alone. Add on other factors of confluence to be able to get a trade. So for this, I added on a demand zone that price had created before I placed my buy trade. I went ahead and placed buy trades and also placed some buy stop orders so that when the price starts going up to my target, it will take my orders and maximize profit on this trade. I've placed my buy orders and my expectation is that price is going to trade higher to the nearby high. Let's wait and see what happened.
A few moments later.
Price has reversed from the demand and traded to the nearby high as I anticipated, and my positions are currently running at over $1,800 profit. So since price has reached my target area that I was looking to exit from, I'm going to go ahead and close all my positions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more trading content.